Hello, this is Ali from ALTA Racks. Beautiful Monday morning. This is our April 2022 color update of what we have to offer. So on the drop down menu, there's not as many choices. We keep it that way because those are kind of solid colors, and then we offer other colors that come and go. They're usually in stock. Put it in the notes at the checkout time, and that will give you the color you want. Here's our green. This is our olive drab green. It's a matte color. It's pretty sweet green. I like it. It's that army green. We may have something coming out in a flat version of this. We're waiting to hear back. We got the safety orange gloss right there. It's one of our more popular colors. Here's a burnt orange, Texas burnt orange, but it's in the gloss. We can't get the flat anymore, so we've gone to the gloss. And it's a deeper tone than the other orange. Hope this shows it better, but it's more of a burnt orange look. This is our Gunmetal Gray. It's a silver tone, matte finish. Pretty solid, really cool looking. Our baby blue or light blue, one of my favorites. It's really cool. It looks really good on a rack. You can see a blue one right there with the black setup. Silver vein, I call this dragon skin. It's kind of a bumpy, hard finish look. In the same family, you got the white vein, and that's silver with white vein, silver with black vein. Those are the selections. This is that white is more of a kind of gray silver, and then it's got the dark silver gray kind of look to it. Our desert sand. This is a flat desert sand like the Humvees. It's really cool. It's got that kind of desert look to it. Yellow. We got light yellow here. The really cool setup when you build this with all black. You get that bumblebee look. Super dig it. Here's our flat cherry red. It's a flat color. It's a little bit texture, but it's got that nice red tone to it. You got your typical boring black. It's a nice flat black. It's always better to get nice viz on your rack, so I'm not a big fan of flat black. Here's a cement gray. This matches your Toyotas and your Sprinter cement gray and some of the new ones I've seen coming out. And then finally we have the royal purple. People argue this is blue, but who am I to argue? I'm colorblind a bit, so I can't really tell. But that's what it's called. It's called royal purple. I think it's purple. Well, here's our 2022 April colors. Check it out. Variety. We love it.